Hello everyone, it's Victor here, and today we're going to explore the various holidays taking place on March 30th. Get ready to celebrate with family, friends, or even just take a break for yourself. So, let's dive in. Doctor's Day. Doctor's Day is an annual observance that celebrates the contributions and dedication of physicians in providing healthcare to their patients and communities. In the United States, Doctor's Day is celebrated on March 30th. The day was first observed in 1933 in Winder, Georgia, by Eudora Brown Almond, the wife of a physician, who wanted to honor the work of doctors in her community. The celebration gradually spread across the country, and in 1990, President George H.W. Bush officially proclaimed March 30th as National Doctors' Day. On Doctor's Day, people express their appreciation and gratitude to physicians for their tireless efforts in diagnosing, treating, and preventing illnesses. The observance also aims to raise awareness about the importance of maintaining good health and the vital role doctors play in promoting overall well-being. People may celebrate Doctor's Day by sending thank you notes or gifts to their doctors, posting messages on social media, or participating in activities that support and honor medical professionals. World Bipolar Day. World Bipolar Day is an annual global awareness campaign held on March 30th to raise awareness and understanding about bipolar disorder and to eliminate social stigma surrounding the condition. The date of March 30th was chosen to honor the birthday of the renowned artist Vincent van Gogh, who is believed to have lived with bipolar disorder. The initiative was established by the International Bipolar Foundation, IBPF, the Asian Network of Bipolar Disorder, ANBD, and the International Society for Bipolar Disorders, ISBD, to educate people about the signs and symptoms of bipolar disorder, promote early diagnosis and treatment, and support those affected by the condition. On World Bipolar Day, various events, educational programs, and social media campaigns are organized to share information about bipolar disorder, its impact on the lives of those affected, and the importance of providing proper support and resources. The day aims to create a global community of understanding and empathy, encouraging open conversations and breaking down misconceptions and stigma surrounding mental health issues. Take a Walk in the Park Day. Take a Walk in the Park Day is an unofficial holiday celebrated on March 30th each year, encouraging people to step outside and enjoy the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of walking in a park. The day serves as a reminder of the importance of spending time outdoors and taking a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Parks provide a natural setting where individuals can relax, unwind, and rejuvenate by connecting with nature, getting some fresh air, and engaging in physical activity. Walking in a park can help reduce stress, improve overall well-being, and provide an opportunity for social interaction with friends, family, or even pets. National Wendy Day, National Victoria Day, and National Julia Day are not officially recognized or widely celebrated holidays. However, if they were to be observed, they could serve as special days to honor and celebrate individuals with these respective names. These holidays could be an opportunity to show appreciation and gratitude towards friends, family members, or colleagues named Wendy, Victoria, or Julia. People might celebrate by sending personalized messages, giving small gifts, or organizing gatherings to spend quality time together. Additionally, these days could be used to learn about famous people or historical figures with these names and their contributions to society. Ultimately, the purpose of these hypothetical holidays would be to foster a sense of connection and appreciation for the unique qualities and achievements of individuals with these names. Enjoy these fantastic celebrations on March 30th, and remember to make time for your loved ones and yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and have a fantastic time celebrating.